Hello Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I hope it's going to be quick here. I'm going to show you how to quickly delete multiple pages on your layout file. So let's get started. I have here a layout file that has 26 pages of schematic documentation for the trades for their walkthroughs, but now I'm creating an HOA file to get the permission from the HOA for this project. They don't need all of this cabinetry stuff and layouts. I'm just going to show the plans and elevations for that. So I've done a file save as to create my HOA layout file. Now I could delete one at a time the pages that I don't want, but I've got like 13 pages that I need to delete. And when I click this delete page icon, I can go on the icon, or I could do tools, layout, delete page. It says, hey, you've got 14 items. Are you sure you want to delete it? I could click remember my choice and click yes, so that I just do delete, 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 delete 13 times. Or I can quickly go to view project browser. And that pulls up the project browser over here. I've got 3 files open right now: the existing conditions, the new plan, and the HOA layout plan. I'm going to expand the pages, and for the HOA I just need pages 1 through 13, so I can delete 14 through 26. I'm going to press the Shift key on my keyboard, and so I've selected page 14, that's the first one I need to delete, and shift down to page 26. I don't need these pages highlighted in blue. I'm going to right click and delete all, and I'm going to delete 13 objects. Gone. So now when I go to page 13, 12, etc., those are the pages that I need, that I will submit to the HOA. Quickly, that's how you can delete multiple pages from your layout file. Go to Tools, View, Project Browser, and expand the pages under the layout file, the pages folder here under the layout file information. Hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful week.